What is the RN to BSN program? It's an accredited post-licensure bachelor's program for nurses. So it is a BSN completion program. We are regionally and nationally accredited, and it is fully online, asynchronous, extremely flexible, and it's a great value. We have been ranked nationally as one of the best online RN to BSN programs, and also one of the most affordable online RN to BSN programs. So it's a post-licensure baccalaureate program, meaning that it's for nurses that already have their license as an associate, and they're going to complete their BSN. However, if you have recently graduated with your associates and you're about to take your licensure exam, we have something called seamless admission, where we will help you get admitted and start your first couple of classes and get you started in the program. So come talk to us, because we will get you started on your journey to complete your bachelor's degree. The courses are taught in 6 or 12-week blocks with content that is rigorous, it is clinically current, it is applicable to what you're doing in your field, and it applies to a wide variety of community and patient care settings. The type of coursework that you're going to find in the courses within the program, you're not just alone in an online class. So you're going to find that the type of assignments allow you to interact with your classmates, you're interacting with your instructors, you're doing projects that allow you to apply the coursework in your work setting, in your communities. So you really feel that you're part of an online community while you're taking these classes. We have a program advisor and an online team that will help you get started, help you through the admissions process, and also take a look at any prior learning credits that you have to see where's the right place to get started. We have rolling admissions throughout the year. The classes are short, so people can jump in and get started anytime during the academic year. So for working adults, this can work with anyone's schedule. If you want to take multiple classes and complete your BSN degree in 2 semesters, you could do it. If you have a very hectic lifestyle and you just want to take 1 class at a time, you can squeeze that in and you can still complete your BSN degree. We will remove barriers for you so that you can get this degree done. There are so many other online programs out there, but we are drawing students from a very wide geographic area. They have really great things to say about the program, and I love that. If you're an RN who's been thinking about coming back to school and completing your BSN, I would encourage you to do it. You can get it done. It's so doable. We are here to help you find success. We don't want you to just complete your degree, we want you to enjoy the process. We know that RNs who have their BSN have more opportunities, they earn more, and research supports that their patients have better outcomes. So there's so many reasons to do it. So I invite you to join us here at Utah Tech in our RN to BSN program. I would love to see you.